Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number TPU21-42. This is your easy grease cap for your 6-lug trailer hubs. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so this TPU21-42, this is your easy lube grease cap that you would use with your 6-lug trailer axle hubs, commonly like 5,200 pound axles and 6,000 pound axles, sometimes even 7,000 pound axles with the 6-lug hubs on them. If it has a 6-lug hub, more than likely it's going to work, unless it's a 3,500 pound axle. It comes with the rubber plug already that you can just pop off, and it'll expose that grease dirt that's on the spindle of the axle to where you can easily grease it up. And we'll just measure it out real quick. So the diameter of where it's going to be going inside the hub is 2.44 inches, and the overall height is 1.49 inches, so 1.5 inches. Real standard, real common. These things fall off all the time going down the road, so I definitely recommend you carrying a few extra on you just to have, so you can keep all the grime and dirt out of the grease in the hubs. You don't want to get dirt all in there, and so these will protect it right here. And you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.